Brad Williams, XL Prime, dealing with hyphens. What is our criteria here? Our delimiter is the hyphen. What do we want? All text before the hyphen. Where's the hyphen here in the first example? We don't have one. The second example, Daniel Smith. Question is there a space after Daniel Smith? Under Smith, I would suspect there is. No, there's not, because notice the hyphen is without space. There's a space in here. You're going to run into a problem. We'll get to that example in a minute. But in this example, I try to keep it as clean as possible. Show everything before hyphen. That's exactly what we see here. The setup, well, you can go in here, and I've shown this in the previous example. Just put an if statement. You can even go in here, if not found. Go ahead and change this up if you want. You can go not found. You can't do it here. But if you go in here, and you can change this up where that NA is not going to show up. That's what this is all about. Implementing the various tools. Implementing the various arguments into your output. Over here, the narrative, short, sweet, to the point. But now, you should be able to dance around the layout in the various arguments. This layout, play around with it. Change the numbers around. Change the data. Brad Williams, XL Primed.